Special Officer Balatung da Kayinka Shari Meghalaya High Court Subhasis Chakrawarti hene kasingi ula betha yaki bor penyat district ka East Khasi Hills bagian penyat shakhmat ha kabayade bat kejing pynkynriah yaki nongdie madan ha kathan khandailat katkum kejing betha jong Kayinka Shari. Habakren Shakinong Tok Kubor hadian kejing alang hapo ka office jong ka Deputy Commissioner Chakrawarti ulaong ba kejing kren halor kunhun halor kumno ban penyat shakhmat ya kejing pynkynriah jaka bat ka jing ya ki certificates of vending COVs kalalong ka basaiso. Kumta ki bor district kinyat shakhmat ha kabayade kejing pynkynriah jaka kat kum kirai balashim ha kabayade bat kani kakam benrap senior advocate. Halor ke jingkeli special officer ulapan pau ya kasin jam ban abat kemi da ka boong dongin ya pet kumno ka ya shakhmat ngin sayo jing tip halor kene kat ba kini ki kidang ya shakhmat ha kini ke jing lang lawane shim bentaru da ki officer jong ka district Shillong Municipal Board SMB ki dkhot ka provisional town vending committee PTVC bat ki dkhot na ka Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association MGSPHSVA.
Parties have met together and there has been a fruitful discussion how to go ahead with the task of reallocating the vendors and finalizing the vendors, issuing COVs and all that. There has been a clear fruitful discussions. So the administration will now go ahead with the work in accordance with the decisions taken. Taken a very constructive calling everyone, discussing everyone, taking everyone's views and proceeding in accordance with the directions given by the High Court in its order dated this month. Honorable High Court, whatever order was given by the Honorable High Court, that is being provided. So let us see how it goes ahead. The people will come to know as the thing progresses.